Hey guys, today we're in nature. The best thing in the world. We're in nature. The best thing in the whole world. Got a beautiful lake right here. More of a swamp. But whatever. He's about to throw a rock. Watch, you'll see it go by. Watch this go by. See that?
That was terrible.
Also, leave a comment down below if you play Minecraft. Alright, let's go. And continue our walk. So that's nature for ya.
Okay, so let's see. How far can I come?
Alright, we got some more rocks. We got some more rocks from rocks. That was kind of good. Those like bad is good. Nature. Alright, enough rock throwing. Let's go. I'm rough. Come on. Let's continue walking. You got something here too. Still more nature. Telephone pole. And some more nature. And some more nature. There's a tree. And some more nature. Oh, other side. Walk on my other side. Some more nature. My brother found a stick that looks like a gun. Watch you throw it. I wanted to show it to YouTube. But yeah, this is about it. Somebody lost a ball. This is safe, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just drop a spot.
I got this Harry Potter one. Abracadabra.
It's nature, there's a bunch of trees in the way.
And Harry Potter one.
That's about it. Some leaves,
And
tree.
Harry Potter
Can
one.
I have that one for a minute? I want to show it to the world. Can I have it?
Harry, yo, wizard.
Can I have it? Yo, Wizard Harry! Harry! You're a wizard! You're a wizard, Harry! Alright, we took a seat. Let's keep going. What the skibbity, bro? Bro, we've only been walking for 2 minutes. This is our neighbor's house. One of them. My brother's crazy. Still nature. A tree. Here's a tree. Let's keep going. Oh crap, bro. Bro, look. Look. Look at that, bro. Bro, keep that with us. Keep that with us. We might bring that back and show it to Dad after. Yeah, that's about it. As we near the end of our road, we got a fire hydrant, a water main, these thingamajigs, some of those. Giant stick. Okay, he found a slingshot. This is a good spot if you want to see nature. Jesus! Enough with these logs. Here's a great spot to see water. Oh crap, that ain't going down. The hell? That ain't. Shit. Eat. I almost fell in. Holy cow. And break this. No, we need like clippers. Right. Let's keep going and, Oh, we have a cool spot over here down the street. And we go for walks all the time. Nice. Our neighbors are the absolute best. They're all nice. But down here we got like a river. Here's a rock. See this? That's a rock in a river. Stop picking up sticks. there's a pipe here to there and to there. I'm standing in the center. Yeah, sure. Another rock my brother threw me. Which way? That way?
That way.
This way? Wow, that splash was big. I hope this video goes viral.
Wait, no way.
What? It's a 2x4. We found a 2x4. We found a 2x4. Kinda. Kind of a 2x4. Hi. Let's go back. More sticks. Here we go. As we hike back. As we hike down the road. Also, so they're taking down a tree at our house. Like, it's from our neighbor's house to our house. So, it's really loud. Because they have some, like, grinder. Cool. This is a dog's best friend. Is this a dog's best friend? This right here, that's a dog's best friend.
Okay, come on. We don't have to tell him that.
There's some acorns. Also, we aren't in the woods. The road's right there. If we see something, we'll run to the road. It was.
I'm getting really tired.
I want one of the big ones.
No, you get this big one, the thin one. You get
I'll take that.
You get the wooden one.
I have a wooden axe in my grass. You know how in Minecraft they cut down trees? It doesn't work in real life. Wooden axes don't exist in real life.
You have to make an oak plank if you want to cut down one.
Oh my god. Explain to me, what are those? What are those? Probably dead worms. Alright, another tree. Maybe this one will go down. No, this tree.
You have to make an oak plank. Come on, you don't know that.
Alright, whatever. Do you want to offer the axe to the people cutting down our tree? Rocco, why are you asking them? Throw it in their thing when we're done. See that?
Don't.
Why?
Keep my big stick.
Here.
You can throw that in if you want.
Okay. No more axe. This one's going to hell, I think. I think it's hell in there. Sorry.
Yeah, if you jump in there, while it's on, your fingers will sweat.
No, that like, not the chipper, that thing.
Oh, the big rock thing?
Yeah, throw it in there.
I thought you meant the chipper.
No, they're not going to let us operate the chipper. Rock.
No, we're just going to put it in there so when they turn on the chipper, chip.
They're not turning the chipper back on for a while. That's why we'll throw it in here. Because all that, they're taken back to wherever they are. And then they just chip it there. Because they have a big chipper over there. To make it easier.
No, they chip everything. And then they already...
Bye-bye. That's easy. As we approach back, I'll show you the chipper one more time. There's a car literally coming right at us. Get off to the side. Car coming right at us. So we'll watch out for that. This is the chipper and it's on. So I gotta talk loud. They made a mess. Like, look at this. Rocco, wait. They made a mess. They made a mess. Well, that's the end of our journey. That's the inside of the chipper. If I put you in there, you would all die.